Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of spending a fortune at the salon or dealing with the irritation of razors? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make your own all-natural sugar wax right at home. It's cheap, effective, and way gentler on your skin. So, let's get into the sweet stuff. Sugar waxing, or sugaring, is an ancient hair removal technique that's making a huge comeback, and for good reason. Unlike traditional waxing, which can be harsh, sugaring uses simple, natural ingredients that you probably already have in your kitchen. It adheres only to the hair, not the skin, which means significantly less pain and irritation. Plus, it's a great exfoliator, leaving your skin incredibly smooth. And the best part, it washes off with just water, so cleanup is an absolute breeze. No more sticky residue. So, what do you need for this magic mixture? It's incredibly simple. You'll need 2 cups of plain white sugar, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of water. That's it, just 3 ingredients. The lemon juice is key here. It acts as a natural preservative and helps prevent the sugar from crystallizing too quickly, giving us that perfect, pliable consistency we're looking for. Make sure to use fresh or bottled lemon juice, not lemon concentrate. Alright, let's get cooking. Grab a heavy-bottomed saucepan to prevent the sugar from burning. Pour in your 2 cups of sugar, a 1/4 cup of lemon juice, and a 1/4 cup of water. Give it a gentle stir to combine everything before you turn on the heat. Now, place the saucepan over medium-low heat. This is where patience is key. We don't want to rush this process. Keep stirring the mixture constantly to ensure the sugar dissolves evenly and doesn't stick to the bottom of the pan. As it heats up, you'll see the mixture start to bubble. Keep stirring. We're watching for a color change. It will go from clear to a pale yellow, and then gradually darken into a beautiful amber or honey color. This process usually takes about 7 to 10 minutes. The moment it reaches that rich, honey-like shade, immediately remove it from the heat. If you let it get too dark, it will turn into hard candy, and we won't be able to use it. Once it's off the heat, carefully pour it into a heat-safe glass jar. And please, be extremely careful, this mixture is incredibly hot. Now we have to let it cool down. This is super important. The wax needs to cool for at least 30 minutes, or until it's just warm to the touch, not hot. The ideal consistency is thick and pliable, like firm honey or taffy. You should be able to scoop it out with your fingers without it being too runny or too hard. To test the temperature, take a tiny amount on your fingertip and touch it to the inside of your wrist. It should feel comfortably warm, not hot. If it stings or feels uncomfortably hot, let it cool down for longer. Safety first. We never want to apply hot wax to our skin, as it can cause serious burns. If your wax has cooled too much and becomes too hard, you can pop it in the microwave for 10 to 15 seconds to soften it up again. Before we start waxing, let's prep the skin. Your skin must be clean and completely dry. Any oils or lotions will prevent the sugar wax from grabbing the hair. So, wash the area you plan to wax and dry it thoroughly. For extra measure, I like to apply a light dusting of cornstarch or baby powder. This absorbs any moisture and helps the wax adhere even better to the hair. Make sure your hair is at least a 1/4 of an inch long, about the length of a grain of rice, for the best results. Alright, it's application time. This is where the magic happens, and no strips are needed. Scoop out a small ball of wax with your fingers. It should be about the size of a gumball. Start kneading and stretching it in your hands. It will become lighter in color and more opaque. Now, using your fingertips, spread the wax onto your skin in the opposite direction of hair growth. Press it down firmly, going over the area 2 or 3 times to make sure it's really gripping the hairs. Ready for the removal. It's surprisingly gentle. Hold your skin taut with one hand. With the other hand, flick up the edge of the wax and pull it off quickly, but this time, in the same direction of hair growth. This is the key to a less painful experience. It pulls the hair out from the root without pulling on the skin. You can reuse the same piece of wax several times until it loses its grip. Just fold it over and keep going. Once you're done, cleanup is the easiest part. Since the wax is just sugar, lemon, and water, any residue on your skin, your hands, or your counter will dissolve instantly with a bit of warm water. No oily mess, no sticky strips to throw away. Just rinse the area, pat it dry, and you're good to go. You can store any leftover wax in your airtight glass jar at room temperature for your next session. Now for some essential aftercare to keep that skin silky smooth. After waxing, your skin might be a little pink, which is totally normal. Avoid hot showers, saunas, heavy exercise, and tight clothing for the next 24 hours to prevent irritation. After that first day, start gently exfoliating the area a few times a week to prevent ingrown hairs. And most importantly, moisturize. Use a gentle, fragrance-free lotion or a natural oil like coconut or aloe vera to soothe and hydrate the skin. Finally, a few quick safety tips. Always test the temperature of the wax before applying it. Don't wax over sunburned, broken, or irritated skin. And if you're new to this, start with a small, less sensitive area like your arm or leg to get the hang of the technique before moving on to more sensitive spots. A common mistake is overheating the sugar, which turns it into candy, or underheating it, which makes it too runny. It takes a little practice, but once you find that perfect honey color and consistency, you'll be a pro. And there you have it. Your own homemade, all-natural sugar wax for smooth, hair-free skin without the stress or the salon price tag. I hope you found this helpful. If you try it out, let me know how it goes in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more DIY beauty tips. See you in the next one.